So what's up, YouTube? This your boy, 415. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, man. I'm tripping. The snow got me. What's up, YouTube? This your boy, Just Breathe 415. There we go, man. Anyway, but today I was going to try to see if I can install this deck that I got for the car or whatever. But open up the door and it's supposed to snow or whatever. So I was like, this Louisiana, not really tripping about no snow like that. You know what I'm saying? But I open up the door to this. See what's going on. I'm about to walk through this real quick. I'm talking about slushy shit. Look at this. Look at that. In Louisiana. Shit is crazy. But yeah, let me go see if I can even open the door. Check this out. Shit's crazy. So yeah, we in the car now. Oh God. Yeah. So, but hold on, let me show y'all what we finna do. So this is the old deck. Okay, so basically this is the old deck right here. I got the other deck in the house, but I'm just finna take this one off first. Basically, pop the panel off. It's about three plugs over here, and a plug up here for that one. Everything else you just pop off. So, yeah, we're gonna do it like that. But I'm gonna try to start this car because it's cold as hell in here. Shit, almost did start. Anyway, that's it right there. Got a little crack in it. But yeah, it's supposed to be touchscreen, but of course the screen is cracked, so not touchscreen. But yeah, we finna take this out. Hopefully I can show y'all me taking this out. I'm gonna try to set the camera up or whatever. But let's get to it. Alright, let's see if I can get y'all. Slide this back. Got more room. Hold on, y'all. Let me get this out, and I'll come right back. Okay, so I got that out. Bam, that's out. I can put the car back and drive now. Oh, Lord have mercy. Okay, so that's how it looks right there. Okay, so basically you had this wire and This is the one that was giving me the problems. But you got 3 right there, 1, 2, then the big one. Then all you have to do is just change. I forgot my screwdriver, but we'll do that all. But it's 1, 2, and then 3, 4. That pops right out. And then you take this part off, but we'll get into all that when I switch it over. All right. There it goes. This is a CD DVD touchscreen 7-inch. So what I'm gonna have to do is, when I go in, I'm gonna have to change this and put that on the old one, because that connects to the facing of it. So we're gonna have to change that out. And then I should have a wiring harness. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but I can take this whole wiring harness out. Let's see if I can show y'all that. There you go. I can take that out and take it in the house, and then basically run the wires again from the new deck in the house, so I don't have to be out here in the cold weather. So I hope y'all see that. So let's get to that. Oh my God. Whew. Hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. Try to get this off. And also did the cords. Did those up. Right there. Speakers, the power cord, everything. So they should fit. These go from the deck right here. This side right here fits right into the back of the car console. So it's really plug and play. See how it's not matching up on this side, but it's on the block on that side. So I'm gonna have to figure something out. Yep. Okay, so I had to do some fabbing. I had to use the old one from the old deck, and for the trim, because it was, as y'all see, it was too wide. So now it's gonna fit in there just right with the clips right here. See, I had to use the old one set up for it, but it should fit. Now these are gonna fit inside the deck holes, and then the screws. See if I can do it with one hand. Okay, so now the screws are gonna be able to fit right there. So right here where my thumb is, and right here on both sides. So we should be straight now. So there we go, folks. Finished product. Everything is back like it's supposed to be. I got the paper thing down there, but yep. There we go. Turn off the car. Everything shuts off. There we go. As you see, I got the deck hooked in right here. I just got it 2 screws for now, so I can make sure everything's working. So I'm finna start it up and see if everything is perfect. So there we go, folks. Finished product. Everything is back like it's supposed to be. I got the paper thing down there, but yep. So there y'all have it. Just installed a deck in the car out here on this snowy day. Ridiculous. But hey, do it for y'all. So if you ever need to know how to install a deck, it's pretty simple with the kit, rather than doing it the old school way when you got to match up the wires and stuff like that. So hope that helps somebody out. Once again, it's your boy, Just Breathe 415, out here in the cold. Peace.